If you're drawn to storytelling, creativity, and building online communities, a career in social media offers a dynamic and fast-paced path filled with variety and impact. Social media managers are the voices and strategists driving brands' presence across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, X, and LinkedIn. They engage audiences, foster community, and help businesses grow in today's digital-first world. Beginning your transition into social media management often involves understanding the unique features and audiences of each platform. Each social media network has its own culture, user demographics, and best practices. Mastering these nuances enables you to craft tailored strategies that truly resonate and achieve business goals. Practical experience is a great teacher, so creating and managing your own social media accounts or volunteering to support small organizations builds hands-on familiarity. Content is the heart of social media. Social media managers must excel at developing compelling and authentic content that engages their target audience. This involves not only writing captivating copy, but also creating visuals like graphics, photos, and videos. Through regular practice, you'll hone storytelling skills that convey brand messages with clarity and emotion. Measuring success through analytics helps refine your approach. Understanding social media metrics and using tools like Google Analytics or platform-specific dashboards guide data-driven decisions. An analytical mindset allows you to identify which content or campaigns work best, optimize budgets, and report meaningful results. Customer engagement is another critical aspect of the role. Social media managers build communities by responding promptly and thoughtfully to comments, messages, and feedback. This engagement can strengthen brand loyalty and shape positive reputations online. With organic reach declining on some platforms, proficiency in paid social media advertising is increasingly important. Creating, managing, and optimizing ads, along with skills in targeting, budgeting, and A/B testing, expands your toolbox and results. Educational requirements vary, though many employers prefer candidates with degrees in marketing, communications, public relations, or related fields. Certifications and professional programs like the Meta Social Media Management Professional Certificate on Coursera can boost your credibility and help you stay current with industry trends. Networking in digital marketing communities and attending webinars or industry events connects you with mentors and peers who can support your growth and open doors. On top of that, building a robust portfolio showing successful social media campaigns and analytics enhances your job prospects. Typical daily tasks for a social media manager include planning and scheduling content, engaging with followers, developing campaigns, analyzing performance data, and collaborating with marketing and creative teams. Larger organizations might have specialized social media roles, while smaller companies often require managers to wear many hats, including content creation. Social media management is a career offering continuous learning, creativity, strategic thinking, and the satisfaction of connecting brands with real people. If you're ready to start, explore the Switching to a Career in Social Media guide on Coursera for a complete roadmap. It also contains essential skills and course recommendations. Check the description for the guide link and follow us for ongoing career insights. Your journey to becoming a social media leader begins now.